Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into the deep end of ancient Sumerian narratives, specifically looking at a wildly fascinating technological interpretation of humanity's origins and our ultimate survival. When we usually look at these ancient texts, we tend to read them through this very traditional lens of myth and divine magic. But what happens if we shift to that perspective? What if the beings described in these texts, the Anunnaki, weren't performing divine miracles at all, but were actually deploying incredibly advanced technology? We're going to thoroughly examine the source material today to trace the Anunnaki story, exploring their exact role in human survival, the sudden rise of the first megacities, and a massive, devastating power struggle that practically broke the ancient world. So let's kick things off with a pretty provocative question. Was the Great Flood survived through divine intervention or advanced science? Because while stories of a massive global deluge pop up in cultures all over the planet, the Sumerian texts present a totally unique angle. They don't frame this apocalyptic flood as some arbitrary punishment from the heavens. Instead, it's described as an unavoidable cosmic disaster, one that forced an extraterrestrial royal council to make a really cold, brutal calculation about the future of the human race. Section 1. The approaching cataclysm. Nibiru and the flood. According to the source texts, the Earth was essentially ticking down to absolute chaos, and the Anunnaki knew exactly what was coming. The narratives describe a planet called Nibiru sweeping through our solar system on a massive 3,600-year orbit. As it got closer to Earth, its sheer gravitational pull was mathematically projected to invert our magnetic poles. We're talking unprecedented earthquakes, global volcanic eruptions, and mega